morning, guys. My name is Hussein Rizvi with Signology America, and today I present to you guys SMB. I'm sure you're listening to this presentation wondering, what is an SMB? Is it a small medium business? Let me further explain. The SMB I'll be presenting to you guys stands for Server Message Block. Before I dive into the functionality of a server message block, I want to briefly go over the history and explain how SMB came into being. SMB was designed by Barry Feigenbaum at IBM with the aim of turning local file access into a network file system. SMB was designed to allow computers to read and write files to a remote host over a local area network known as LAN. Using the SMB protocol, application can access files and other resources at a remote server. SMB provides shared access to files, printers, serial ports, and other miscellaneous communication between a knob on a network. Microsoft released its own version of SMB known as CIFS, which stands for Common Internet File System, which was unsuccessful, wasn't popular, and didn't stick around. So what Microsoft did was it released different version of SMB, Server Message Block. Some of the version released were SMB 2.0, SMB 2.1, SMB 3.0, which is also known as 2.2, SMB 3.1, and SMB 3.0.2. The only major difference between different versions were performance enhancements and increased security. Now, let's go into the SMB protocol functionality. SMB uses Windows platform servers and workstation. SMB provides a validation to the inter-process communication and acts as a mechanism to provide validation to the communication. The question I was presenting with this presentation was, if you have two volumes and you're copying a large file to a shared folder on the first volume and you delete the shared folder on the second volume during the file transfer, will the file transfer be interrupted, and if so, why? The answer to this question is yes. If you delete a shared folder while the transfer is going on, it will interrupt the file due to SMB resetting the network services. Even though the first volume has data coming in and the data knows where it's going, which is the first folder, and has a destination, when you delete the second folder, what it does is it resets the network services. A common person that uses a computer would think that, well, that second volume, the folder, share folder, has nothing to do with the second folder and with the file transfer, so why would it stop the file transfer? It's weird, I know, but that's how SMB is. When you delete a shared folder while the file transfer is going on, it will reset the network services. I hope you enjoyed the SMB, and if you have any further questions, you're more than welcome to come to me and ask. Thank you.